So, I have put all manner of batteries in, and there is no spark anymore. So I don't know if the module's gone bad or if the ground came loose or what, but I'm going to have to take this apart and find out why there's no spark now. But it was really cool when it ran, and I gotta say the lighting is getting really bad because the sun is going up. There. Anyhow. So, lost our spark, don't know why, but this has been a really neat engine while it ran, and we'll figure out what happened to the spark. I gotta say that I find, you know, just like the side shaft, I really like the early engine designs because, same thing with antique tractors and stuff. Nobody really knew what it was supposed to be, so they were trying all kinds of things, and the Benz engine, slide valves were easier to manufacture early on, and sealed well enough to get the engine to run. So you could put a slide valve for an intake, and then the poppet for the exhaust on the bottom there. Was a convenient design, and I like that old engines, they did different things to get the motion they needed. So there's the cam on the lever for the exhaust, but then this rod that's just attached to the cam runs the slide valve. And if you were unaware, the reason why the Benz motor car engine has the flywheel sideways like this is that in the real thing, this flywheel is very large, and if it had been vertical, like the way we think of a normal engine set, many engines these days in cars, it certainly would have been unwieldy and in the way of the operator, and it would have made the whole thing a lot more top heavy. So having it be horizontal meant it could be mounted lower underneath the passengers and not be in the way. And then this drive belt is where the Benz motor car would have gotten its power for the transmission, and that's off of the camshaft, which is similar to John Deere tractors. John Deere tractors ran their belt off the camshaft instead of the crankshaft. So yeah, that's been an older design decision for a lot of people, was to take off the camshaft, since you already had to have a gear to slow it down, and you had that whole shaft not really doing anything. So, but overall, very interesting engine. It ran really nicely until that spark went missing, and we'll figure it out from there.